Good morning, students. Welcome to Silver Bells Mansarovar Online Education. Myself Vidot Trivedi. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 5, Science and Technology. Okay, heritage of science and technology. Okay, in a previous video we have discussed about chemistry and other things. In this video we'll discuss about science and medicine and surgery. Okay, how we were rich in the field of medicine and surgery. Okay, after reading you will have a really good experience that our ancient people, they had a great knowledge regarding surgery and medicine. Okay, our sages, our saints, they didn't believe only in philosophical knowledge, but they were also practical knowledge about medicine and all. Okay, students, let us start. Science of medicine and surgery. India attained an unprecedented achievement in the field of medicine and surgery. Since ancient period, Maharshi Charak, Maharshi Susrut, and Bhagavad pioneered the Indian medicine, science, and surgery through their intense research and reached to the greatest height. Okay, so students, okay, over here we can see who were the pioneer. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. Maharshi Charak, Maharshi Susrut, and another one is Bhagavad. Okay, they were pioneer of uh, science of medicine and surgery. Now next, Maharshi Charak has written a book, Charak Samhita, in which he has mentioned over 2000 medicinal herbs. Okay, in Charak Samhita there were there was description about 2000 medicinal herbs. Maharshi Susrut has mentioned instruments used in surgery. Okay, so Charak has written about medicinal herbs, and Susrut has mentioned instrument, okay, used in surgery. The instruments were so sharp that they would split a single vertical hair into two division. ओके, सिंगल वर्टिकल हेयर को भी दो पार्ट में वो डिवाइड कर सकते थे. इतने शार्प जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट सुश्रुत ने बनाए थे. सो देन द इंस्ट्रूमेंट वर शार्प that they would split a single vertical hair in two division. Bhagavad has written a book, Bhagavatta Samhita, is also very important work. Study of Charak Samhita, Susrut Samhita, and Bhagavad Samhita is very useful for every doctor. Okay, still it is useful for every doctor. Hindu herbal science of ancient time is enriched with huge collection of minerals and medicines from plants and animals. This has presented a detailed and complicated process of making medicine, their classification and their uses. Okay, so there is a complicated, okay, about whatever the procedure which has been written in our books. Then this has presented detailed and complicated process of making medicines. कैसे मेडिसिन बनाते हैं पूरी डिटेल उसमें लिखी गई है. जो भी हमने तीन संहिता की बात की, ओके, चरक संहिता या सुश्रुत संहिता और आर्यभट्ट संहिता, वाघभट्ट संहिता. Now next, this has presented a detailed and complicated process of making medicine, their classification and their use. They could even stop blood circulation with ball-shaped bandage. Okay, they were able to stop bleeding, we can say, okay, by using ball-shaped bandage. Okay, nowadays also we are using bandage, so the same thing was used in past time also. They could skillfully operate on abdomen, kidney, cataract, hernia, stone, pile, and bladder, etc. Okay, so that can be asked. Okay, so they had ability to operate human body also. Okay, and they cured, okay, skillfully abdomen, otherwise kidney problem, cataract, hernia, stone, piles, and bladder, any of them they were cured by them at that time. So we can say how we were rich. Then next, they could classify also, join the broken or displaced bones, and extract the thing pierced into the body easily and skillfully. Okay, so orthopedic, nowadays orthopedic, what they are doing, okay, they can set bones and all, okay, whatever regarding bones fracture or any kind of things, okay, are cured by orthopedic. So that thing uh, was also done in past time. Now then, recognize symptoms and diagnose the disease. Also, they were able to recognize the symptoms, and after seeing the symptoms, okay, they came on the decision. Okay, that person is suffering particular things. So, whatever things right now we have seen in a medical science, maximum things were also uh, seen in ancient time. Also, the system was different. Okay, nowadays we are using allopathic, but at the time, a maximum, okay, maximum all of most disease were cured by herbal, otherwise you can say Ayurvedic way. They also gave dietary direction after post recovery of disease. Also, we have seen after we suppose we are suffering any disease, okay, and we are taking care, otherwise we are under observation of doctor. So doctors sometimes suggest us, okay, a dietary, otherwise they say what you should eat and what you should not eat. So that same thing were also done in past time. Now next, they had knowledge of plastic surgery as well as joining nose and ears. Okay, so we can say nowadays plastic surgery we have seen in the medical science. So the same thing was also happened in past time. They showed a keen interest in teaching students the method of surgery by doing surgery on dead body or on the wax statue. Okay, so at that time for teaching student, okay, of medical we can say. So what they used the dead body, otherwise they used the wax statue. They couldn't, sorry, they conduct a risky operation during delivery. Okay, they were expert gynecologists and pediatricians. Okay, they were expert gynecologists as well as pediatricians. Okay, so उस टाइम मतलब कि जो आज की बात है, जो डिलीवरी अदरवाइज जो बच्चों को केयर दी जा रही है पीडियाट्रिशियन के द्वारा, वही सेम थिंग उस टाइम भी थी. अच्छे गायनोलॉजिस्ट भी थे और वो पीडियाट्रिशियंस भी थे. आफ्टरवर्ड्स अबाउट एनिमल साइंस, अदरवाइज वेटरनरी साइंस ऑल्सो डेवलप्ड इन एंशियंट इंडिया. दे रॉट बुक्स ऑन डिजीज रिलेटेड टू horses. Okay, actually at that time there was much use of horses and elephants, okay, for war, and okay, kings they kept. So maximum things, okay, were written on that kind of animals. So they wrote books on disease related to horses, ashwa and elephants, Hasti. Among them Hasti Ayurveda and Shailihotra and Ashwashastra. Okay, so there you have to keep this in your mind. Okay, among them which books were on veterinary science, Asti Ayurveda, Shailihotra and Ashwashastra are well known. The scholars, science writer of medicine, Vagbhat made valuable contribution through his work Ashtang Hriday in the field of diagnosis. Okay, so again you have to, I'm keeping underline over here. Vagbhat made valuable contribution through his work. Okay, Ashtang Hriday in the field of diagnosis. Okay, डायग्नोसिस आपको पता चलता होगा कोई भी डिजीज़ का पता चल लगाना, उसके सिम्टम्स देख के क्या डिजीज़ हुआ है। ओके, वेटरनरी साइंस में तो वो जो चीज़ें हैं वो अच्छी तरह से लिखी गई है किसमें, अष्टांग हृदय के इन द फील्ड ऑफ डायग्नोसिस। नाउ स्टूडेंट, आफ्टर मेडिकल साइंस let us learn about mathematics, how we were great in mathematics also. Okay, nowadays sometime historians of out of India, they are saying that India does not have any good history, but our modern historians, they have proved, okay, how we were rich. Mathematics, many epoch-making mathematical discoveries were considered to be made in India, through which contemporary global affairs are carried out. The gift of India to world as a discovery of zero, decimal systems, algebra theorem of Bodhan, geometry and arithmetic. Okay, so we have given to the world, okay, the knowledge of what? Knowledge of zero, decimal system you are studying in your mathematics. Okay, algebra, theorem of Bodhan, geometry and arithmetic. We are the pioneer. Okay, then Aryabhatta discovered zero, the process of writing zero after figures was discovered by the sage named Grutu Samad. Okay, keep this name in your mind. Okay, Grutu Samad. The ancient Indian mathematicians have decided the names of the numbers made up by placing 53 zeros after 1. Okay, so just as we put okay, 1 0 after 1, so it is 10. Then we put 2 0 after 1, okay, it means 100. So like this way, okay, our ancient, okay, the ancient Indian mathematics have decided names of numbers made up by placing 53 0. आप 53 0 तक लिखो और उसके नाम, जैसे अगर मैं हिंदी में बताऊँ तो 1 के पीछे 10, मतलब 1 0 रखते हैं तो 10 बोला जाता है, 2 0 रखते हैं तो 100, 3 0 रखते हैं तो 1000. Okay, we can say in English, okay, if we put 1 0 after 1 is 10, if we put 2 0 after 1 it is 100, if we put 3 0 after 1, so it will be 1000. So as, okay, you put 110, the name will be changed. Okay, 10 to suppose 10 lakh or 1 crore or 10 crore and more than it, but they have given name. Suppose if you put 53 zeros, okay, after 1, so this was a great thing in a mathematics. Decimal system had been seen for measuring and weighing other weighting instruments, which had been found from the remains of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Okay, so actually decimal system had been seen for measuring other weight. Okay, for weight we use this thing for instrument and all. Then we have what say got clue from where? Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Okay, keep this in your mind. Afterwards, Bhaskaracharya has written book Lilavati Ganit, okay, and Bij Ganit in 1150 AD. He discovered sign of addition and subtraction. Brahmagupta introduced the types of equations Then Bodhan discovered theorem triangle policy. Then Apstamba had decided the measurement of sacrificial pits, यज्ञ वेदिका, जो यज्ञ में जो वेदिका बनती है वो, ओके. सो Apstamba had decided the measurement of sacrificial pit, okay, used for Vedic yagna in Sulva Sutras in 1800 BC before Christ. It also consists analysis of principles. Aryabhat had mentioned the value of pi. As you know, the value of pi is, okay, 22/7 or 3.14, okay, in his book. Then Aryabhatiam, okay, again you keep in your mind, Aryabhat had mentioned the value of pi, okay, in which book? Aryabhatiam. He also propounded that pi is constant, so the ratio of circumference and diameter of circle, okay. So he has given information about circumference, okay. You may learn in your mathematics, and also diameter of circle. Then next, student, multiplication, addition, subtraction, square root, cube root, etc. Ashtang mentioned introduced by Aryabhatta in his work. Hence, Aryabhatta is known as father of mathematics. Okay, so maybe this question will be asked, why Aryabhatta is known as father of mathematics. So he has given great work, okay, in the field of mathematics. Moreover, he had written many other books like Das Gitika, then Aryabhatyam. He has described main principle of astronomy in short in his book named Arya Siddhanta. He found the solution of fundamental of mathematics, arithmetic and geometry. So Aryabhatta has given a lot in the field of mathematics. Okay. The next, apart from these various aspects of mathematics had been discussed by many scholars in their books. Among them, this scholar like Bodhan, Apstamba, then Kantayan, Bhaskaracharya, Brahmagupta are included. So maybe that question can be asked, okay, how we were rich in the field of mathematics. So you have to give the total description, okay. Maybe it may have 3 marks, okay. So you have to give the total information which is given in your book, okay, student. We are keeping our lesson till here, okay. Learn well, and suppose if you have any difficult or anything, okay, you can send me message also. Thank you. Have a nice day.